We're going camping. Ooh, ooh. Me and Laura, who was in my last video, and some of her friends that she met in the backpacking club are going to Angeles National Forest. Only for one night, so we'll be back tomorrow. But I'm excited. I haven't been camping in so long. And yeah.
That's awesome.
The devil's in a rush. And it's the tape makes you hush. Hey there, so don't let me cut you a deal. I'm a little hungover and I may have to steal your soul. Oh, oh. Hey, little Hollywood, you're gone, but you're not forgot. You got the cash, but your credit's no good. You flipped the script and you shot the plot. And I remember when your neon used to burn so bright and pink, so bright and pink. A Saturday night kind of thing.
I don't know. Glacier sunglasses. Dude's doing too much. Yeah, I don't know how we got there.
He's doing the extra credit level. Oh, there is someone. Yeah. It's not really nice.
at the campsite. We set up the tent with absolutely zero difficulty because we're so slay. Can you hand me my phone, please? Lori's insulting me. She's calling me ugly. She's saying I'm obsessed with myself, and then I have popcorn kernel teeth. I think I'm gonna just cry myself to bed right at this instant.
Your blanket smells weird on top of that.
I don't know. I've never used it, so it's just you.
Did you wash it?
I did, and it got soaked.
And then it got...
Doesn't it smell weird? Well, my sister's friend used it, so blame her.
Oh, are you serious? Ew.
Thrilled, thrilled. Where are we?
We are currently at Switzer Falls Trail
Yep.
and got yelled out of by a very mean park. Well, she got yelled.
I'm gonna do Bridge to Nowhere, if any of y'all have ever heard of that. But we have to be back at school. Obviously, we have lots of work to do. Student life. Anyways.
UCLA big brain life.
Yep. Big brain, except I don't know anything about anything.
You know about the Hebrew Bible.
I know about 2 chapters of the Hebrew Bible.